So when dealing with the 5-point mask, that's more when the shoulder retractors or the handles come into play. So the key is to kind of get the patient to position their shoulders where they're down, but not reaching too far where they're kind of straining to hold that position. Like a straight wrist, a relaxed shoulders, that's what we're really looking for.
Perfect.
Also, I try to keep the numbers the same. That's a pet peeve of mine. If people have it like at 100 and 101, that you should just put them both at 100, right?
Makes sense.
So still aiming for the chin section for the 5-point. Perfect. Then we work on the head up here. Perfect. Then we shoulders. So it's important to go over and around the shoulders to encapsulate them. So try not to go in a straight line. Then keep working this shoulder area. So for these 5 points, 2 people is needed to mold these. And you're really focusing on this area right here where the neck and the shoulders meet to try to get really good contact with the mask for the neck and the shoulder area. Because if you're not paying attention and molding there, you're gonna get a lot of air gaps that you're not intending. So really working with the back of the hands. Try not to put too much pressure on this mask as you're molding it to the neck and the shoulder area. So the idea of not putting too much pressure is because if you put downward force kind of on these masks, it kind of induces a little bit of shrinkage that's not planned. So if you're really heavy-handed with these 5-point masks, you can make them tighter for the patient when it's not really necessary.